Hey you guys, obviously my hair is blonde. Very drastic change. I've been wanting to do something different with my hair for a while, for a very long time. Just was too scared, but decided to finally do it, because why not? So if you want to know how I got this color, then keep on watching. Also, warning, I'm not a professional, obviously. Like, I'm not. I watch YouTube videos myself. I watched a lot of YouTube videos before I actually did this on my own hair, you know, just to make sure that I wasn't gonna miss out on any steps or anything like that, or just like ruin my hair completely. So yeah, make sure you do that before you actually do bleach your hair, because it's a lot. It's a process. But you know, if you want to know how I did mine, then just keep on watching. So I'm using the Wella powder lightener. I got the bucket because I got a big head and thick hair. 40 volume developer, purple toner shampoo, a bowl to mix everything in, some gloves, some caps, some plastic caps, and a conditioning treatment. I got 2 scoops of the powder, and now I'm mixing the 40 volume developer in it, and I'm going to mix it until I get a creamy consistency. Hey guys, so I'm recording on my phone. Sorry, watching Lion King. But anyways, decided to bleach my hair. I probably shouldn't do this, but we still gonna do it anyway. So I'm starting out with, I blow dried my hair out, stretched it out a little bit earlier, and I coated it with coconut oil so that my hair won't be super duper dry or whatever and brittle, and we're gonna try to avoid that as much as possible. So I'm doing the ends and the shafts of my hair first, and then I'm going to go in and do my roots, because your roots turn faster than the rest of your hair because your head gives off heat. So first I'm doing the shaft, and now I'm going in and doing all my roots, trying to get as much of them as possible. And yeah, it's already really blonde. I'm just gonna leave it on for like 5 minutes. Let my roots get it, and then we're gonna rinse it out. Okay, y'all. So I haven't seen my hair yet. I put this towel on with my eyes closed, but you can see right here. And we're gonna see. I haven't put in the toner yet, so this is just straight bleach. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, my hair is like, it's weirdly dry. Like, I've never felt my hair feel like this. Like, it just feels like it's gonna happen any second. But you know, it's dry. But we're gonna take this towel off, and we're gonna see what it really looks like. I can see right here I didn't get all my roots. It took me about 40 minutes to put it all on. You're not supposed to keep it on longer than 50, so I only kept it on I put it under a plastic cap. I only kept that on for 5 minutes. My head was tingling. I don't know if that's normal or not, but it was tingling, so I had to take that off. And so rinsed it out, rinsed all this stuff out. Haven't toned it yet, and we're gonna see. Ready, y'all? Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my goodness. It's actually, I look like, oh my Lord. Oh dang, I did not get my edges all like that. Really was trying to. This is the back. Oh dang. Dang, I missed a lot. Oh fuck, I missed so much. My hair pattern, my curl pattern has changed drastically. My curls are honestly more uniformed, I guess, clinging together more. But we're gonna tone this joint so I'm not freaking orange. And then we'll come back. So I got the toner on, and I'm just gonna leave it on here for like 10 minutes, maybe 15. It's just shampoo, but yeah. I'm gonna leave it on here for a second because my hair was super orange. Like, I literally looked like boom. No, Not okay. Not okay. So we're gonna fix it up. My curl pattern hasn't really changed all like that. Now that I've conditioned it and stuff compared to the other video. Do side by side. I mean, yeah, it's gotten a little looser, but. So in the shower, I rinsed out the toner. It really didn't help because look at this, it's still orange. But while I was in the shower, I rinsed out all the stuff and my hair still felt really dry. And so I put in my conditioner that I always use. So now, instead of using the packet, the banana and bamboo packet, I just use the Cantu deep treatment mask. I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna watch the rest of Lion King 2, and then when that's done, I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I don't know, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so last night I got too lazy to rinse out the stuff. It was like 10 or 11 at that time, so I was like, okay, I put on the deep conditioning mask, and I just left it on all night. So I'm about to rinse it off. Okay, y'all, I know I missed quite a bit, but you know, it's okay. We're gonna fix her up and we're gonna get her right. Okay, so about to start. Now that my hair is dry, I have it coated with coconut oil, and we're about to go in and do it again. Look at the back. I missed a lot of spaces, so I'm going to be very detailed in making sure that I get every inch back there. So yeah, let's go. I just finished putting all the bleach on my hair for the second time. I got it on my roots. I try and get it as much in the back as possible. I really hope I got, if not all, most of it. I'm gonna let this sit on my head for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. Okay, just rinsed out all the bleach. You can see right here that it's way blonder than it was before, thankfully, but I haven't looked at my hair yet. So we're gonna reveal this mess together. Hold on, I'm just trying to get it a little less wet. That's much better. This is much better. Yes, ma'am. There are still like a few orangish parts, but yeah, let's see the back. Oh, dang. The back doesn't look too bad. At least it's all, oh shit. Well, at least it's all blonde. That's just like a dark brown, it looks like. Oh man, I'm just happy my hair ain't fall out. So I just let this toner sit on my hair for like the past 25, maybe even 30 minutes. And I'm about to wash it out in the shower. Gonna use my Herbal Essence conditioner. Herbal Essence Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Conditioner. So this is my hair. It's lifted a lot. It's not even at all, but it's definitely way more blonde. Yeah, but these are my curls. Yeah. So I just rinsed out the conditioner and my hair is not dry anymore. It's still a little damp, but it's not like how I was feeling before. My curl pattern has not gone back to whatever it was before. But it's not like it changed a whole lot. I was 4C before, but now it's looking like a 4B-ish. But you know, it's still clumping. Like, it's just not as coily, as kinky as it was before. So, I don't don't know if you guys should necessarily follow my steps because this joint is not even. It's really blonde, but it's not even. And my curl pattern changed a little bit. Not keeping this color because it's not working for me. And I think it's because my eyebrows are just so dark, you know? I have really thick, really dark eyebrows, and it's not like I'm gonna bleach my eyebrows, heck no. But there's just too much of a contrast. So we're gonna do something else with this hair in a different video. Okay, so yeah, that's how I bleached my hair. That's how I got it this color. A few quick things. This is not the color that I wanted it to turn out. It's really yellow. I wanted more of a platinum. I didn't buy an actual toner. I just used the purple shampoo. And I only washed my hair with it twice, each time after I bleached it. I feel like if I were to keep my hair this color and keep using that toner, that purple shampoo, then eventually it would blonde out. But I'm not doing that. So, cause I'm changing my hair again. Another thing, my hair is super dry. I feel like after a few weeks of some like deep conditioning treatments, you know, and a lot of care, TLC, to my hair, then it's gonna be fine. And then also my curl pattern changed just the slightest. This right now is a twist out, or a flat twist out. But like the second time after I bleached my hair, after the second bleach application, it loosened just a little bit. Nothing too wild though. But I'm kind of okay with that. I feel like after, you know, a few weeks of deep conditioning treatments, it's gonna go right back to how it was, and there ain't gonna be no problems. So, but yeah, make sure that if you do this to your hair, that you take real good care of it, because it's dry and it's going to break easily. That's how you, like, if you don't keep it moisturized and oiled and stuff like that, it's gonna be easier to break off. Because this joint feels like a tumbleweed right now, but it's only been the second day since I've bleached it. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you do this to your hair, like, tag me. I'm gonna leave my like social media stuff in the description below. And yeah, bye.